Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics, and this is our chapter 7, and this is our last exercise 7.5, because in the previous video we already solved this exercise 7.4, 7.3, 2 and 1. Okay, this chapter is something complicated, but this is our last exercise, and if you have any kinds of doubt, any kinds of confusion in this exercise, so don't worry about it. I make this exercise very easy and very clear to you. Okay, so if you are looking for the class 6th mathematics exercise solution, so in description there is a link you can check out. Otherwise you can go through our playlist and you can check out class 6th mathematics full exercise solution. Okay, right? So let's start this exercise. So in this exercise, the first question is telling that Sonu went to a shop. Okay, there is a one boy, that's name is Sonu, and he is going to be a shop. Okay, and he wants to buy a chicky. Chicky is something for, like, this is a one food, like for the eating purpose. This is a one type of food or chocolates we can say. Okay, and a toffee. Okay, so Sonu, what's he want to buy? He wants to buy a chicky and a toffee. Okay, generally, and one chicky cost is 0.75 paisa. This is paisa. 0 after the 0, this is 75 na? This is called a paisa. Rupees is like that. This is 1.00. This is called rupees. This is called rupees. This is 2 rupees, but this is called 0.50. It means 50 paisa. It is called paisa. Okay na? I hope you know about it. This is a very basic things. Okay, so what is the price of chicky? That's the 75. The toffee price is 0.50. Okay, so if he wants to buy each of them, how much he have to pay to the shopkeeper? Just do till here only. These are the also question, Sonu mothers, and this one, then this is another question, but we are not going to do this one. Now we will do this also, but first let's complete this one. So in this question, what is telling, let's suppose you are here, you are a boy and you went a shop. Okay, this is a shop, this is shop, and in this one you are going here and you wants to buy a something. You buy a chicky like this is, and the shopkeeper tell this is a 0.75 paisa, and you want to buy a chocolate. So this is chocolate, let's suppose, and this price of chocolate is 0.55 paisa. Okay, so so you ask to the shopkeeper, bhaiya, how much I have to pay? So the shopkeeper telling to you, add both of this and tell me, like, how, what I'm telling you here. Let's suppose you went a shop and you bought a chocolate. Okay, you bought a chocolate. Okay, this is chocolate. You bought a chocolate and one biscuit packet you bought it. Okay, so the chocolate price is 2 rupees. Okay, and the biscuit packet is 5 rupees. So how much you will pay to the shopkeeper? So you will add, the chocolate is 2 rupees, the biscuit is 5 rupees. It means that 2 plus 5, it is going to be 7 rupees. It means that you are going to pay 7 rupees to the shopkeeper. Simply like it only. Sonu also looking that the chicky price is 75 paisa and the toffee price is 0.75. If they add 0.75, then 0.50. If they add, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 12, 1 is here, 0 0, that's going to be 1. So the price is 125 paisa, 1 rupees 25 paisa. So how much the Sonu have to pay? Sonu have to pay that much, 1 rupees 25 paisa. Simple. Okay, like that only. So now let's do this one. Okay, so let's do this question. So how, if we buy each of them, then how much has to be paid to the shopkeeper? So we will write Sonu have to, okay, we will write Sonu have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay na, shopkeeper total you will write like 0.75. this is plus how much it is, 0.50, which is equals to, if you add 0.75 here and this is 0, point is here also. Okay na, 50, add 5, 7 plus 2, 12, 1 will be here, 1, and the point will be in the middle of, after the 2 digits point are there na, put point like that. So how much? 1.25 rupees or paisa, you can say, rupees you have to pay. Over. So first question is over, right? So first question is totally clear. Okay na? So if he wants to buy, then how much he have to be paid the shopkeeper? So Sonu have to pay to the shopkeeper totally 1.25 rupees. Okay, it is over. Okay, so you will write this one also, or you cannot write this one. Okay na? So now the first question is clear. Now the second question is coming here. Sonu mother gave him 2 rupees. So how much he will return? Okay, let's suppose you are painting the shop. You bought 2 rupees chocolate, 5 rupees biscuit packet. So the total you paid to the shopkeeper is 7 rupees. But your mother give you the 10 rupees. Your mother given how many rupees? Your mother. Okay na. Your mother given 10 rupees to you, and he said, beta, go and buy whatever you want to buy. So you went to the shop, you buy 2 rupees chocolate, 5 rupees biscuit. So how much you will pay to the shopkeeper? 7 rupees. So 7 rupees you paid to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper given how much return? You given shopkeeper 10 rupees. The total, the chocolate and the biscuit price is 7 rupees total. Okay, but your mother gave how many rupees? 10 rupees. So you given 10 rupees to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper cutted the 3 rupees. So it means minus 7 rupees. So how many they given you? 3 rupees. It means that you are going to be subtract. Why? Because 2 rupees chocolate, 5 rupees biscuit, 7 rupees. Okay, your mother given 10 rupees. So you given 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper say total how much, total how many, like how much money, generally it means that the price of biscuit and chocolate is 7 rupees, shopkeeper is telling. Okay, and you are giving 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. You are giving 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper telling that whatever you bought, the price is 7 rupees, so I will cut 7 rupees. So in the 10 rupees you are given, it is cutting 7 rupees. So 3 rupees he is returning to you. The shopkeeper rupees, how many rupees he returned? 3 rupees, like that. Okay na? So like that, here what will happen? The Sonu mother given 2 rupees to the Sonu. He is given 2 rupees. 2 rupees means 2.00. It is 2 rupees. Okay, like 1 rupees is like that, 1.00. Okay na? 5 rupees is like that, 5.00. Okay, so generally, so Sonu mother given how many rupees to the Sonu? 2 rupees. So how much Sonu will return? Because whatever the Sonu is voted, its totally is only 1.5 rupees. Okay, and total Sonu mother given how many rupees? 2 rupees, 2.00. Okay, so how much he has spent? He has spent 1.25. Okay, so if you subtract it, it is going to be 5, it is going to be 9, and out of 9 if you subtract 2, that's going to be 7, and that's going to be 0.75. So how much rupees Sonu have to be give to return to his mother? 0.75 rupees. Okay, why 0.75 rupees? Because Sonu mother given 2 rupees to Sonu, and Sonu went to the shop and he buy chicky and chocolate from 1.25 rupees. Okay, so 2 rupees is there. Out in this 2 rupees he already spent how many? 1.25. So how much shopkeeper will return him? 0.75. So whatever the shopkeeper return, the Sonu will return to his mother. So how much money is returned? 0.75. So 0.75. So now, so let's write the answer of this question. The answer is Sonu mother gave him 2 rupees. So how much will he return? So he will return how much? 0.75 paisa, you can say. This is paisa, not rupees. Why? Because this is 2 rupees are there na, 2.00. so in this one, if you minus 1.25, it is going to be 75 only. Okay, and not 75, 0.75. okay na, 0.75 rupees. Okay, over. This is a because. Okay na, don't think it is something different. Okay, over, right? So after that, this second question is also over. Now the third question, what is it telling? Just listen. Suppose if his mother gave him 5 rupees, then how much he will shopkeeper return? So let's suppose if Sonu mother is given 5 rupees to Sonu. Let's suppose apart from 10 rupees, your mother given 20 rupees to you. So you bought 2 rupees chocolate, 5 rupees biscuit, so total price 7 rupees, and your mother given 20 rupees. You given 20 rupees to shopkeeper, so shopkeeper cut 7 rupees in 20 rupees, so he will return you 13 rupees, right? So now like that also, let's suppose Sonu mother given 5 rupees to the Sonu. Okay, so how many, what will be the price? So he bought 75 rupees chikki and 0.50 rupees the chocolate. So how many total rupees? It is 1.25 rupees. So in the 5 rupees Sonu given 5 rupees to the shopkeeper. So in 5 rupees the total how many like rupees he will cut? Only 1.25 rupees he will cut na. So like that it will be, the question will be like that. Okay, let's understand. 5 rupees Sonu mother given, the total price of the buying the zero chikki and that chocolate is total price is 1.25. okay, Sonu mother given 5 rupees. So 5 rupees means what is it? It is like 5.00. okay, in this one 1.25 rupees we have to subtract. So 5, if you subtract this one, this is going to be 10. okay, this is going to be 10 after 5. So this one number is given here, so it has become 9. So this is 10 now, it's become 9. In the 9 if you subtract 2, it's going to be 7, and this is point is there now, put a point like that. And in the 4 if you subtract 1, it is going to be 3. So how much rupees the shopkeeper returned? 3 rupees 75 paisa. So now next write the next answer. So the next answer is that, so the shopkeeper, how much the shopkeeper returned? So 3.75 rupees. okay now, this is rupees shopkeeper. okay na, shopkeeper return because total amount is 5 rupees. okay na, 0.55. the total object, the price of chocolate and the, okay, so total amount is 5 rupees. the price of chikki. okay now, you can write here chikki and whatever it is written. what is it written? Chikki. okay, chikki and chocolate is 1.25. so 5.00 minus 1.25. okay na, equals to 3.75. okay, is it over or not? Is it over? Right. So actually this question is not very much complicated, that much we think, but generally this is something hard question. okay, is it clear? Right. So let's talk about the second question. So second question is easy. It is telling that add the following decimal fraction. okay, we have to add it. So how we can add? Simple, nothing is hard in this one. so what we can do now, so this is given 25, right? 25, this is point, write the point here. This is 11, write the 11. now this number we have to write. so where we have to write? So you will think, sir, this is like that. This is not like that, beta, you cannot write. So just observe, this is point is there na, write this into the point. 3 is here, this is dot have to be there only. This is 80, write 80 like that. now add it. let's suppose this another question is given. This is 6 point, like this is point 0, 8 and 6. another question is given 2 point and 6. so how you will do this? So simply, this is 2, 6, this is point, this is 0, this is 8 and 6, this is there now. where it is point is here now, so put the point there. okay, simple. what is in the point behind? 2, write the 2. what is here? 6, write the 6. then add like that. another example I will tell you. simply, let's suppose this is 0.56. okay, another number is 265.0. 6 it is. let's suppose this is, so what is it? this is given 6, this is point, this is 5, this is 6. so this is point is given, write the point in that position. same, what is here? it is 5, write the 5. then after it is 6 and 2, write same as it is. after that, after the point, after this point, whatever number, write like that only. simple. after the point here, what is this? 6, write 6. this number is over. yes, it is over. simply, now add this one. 6, 11, 1, 12, it is going 7 and it is going to be 2 something. okay now, so we have to do like that. okay now, another question I will tell you. this is 0.6 0.76. Okay, another is 1.346. so how you will write? Simply, this is 0 point, this is point is there now, this is 76. so observe this point is where? Here. so write a point. After the point, which number? This is 1, then 1 only. After that, this number, so this is 3 4 6 over, add it, 6 10 11.1780 over. Okay, right, so is it clear to you? Right, so you can do like that one simply. so here also I am doing same thing here. Okay now, because this is point, I written point, here it is 3, I written 3, 80 80 I written. Okay, so now add it. so 1 1, it is going to be 1, 8 plus 1, this is going to be 9. so after that, this point is there now, so put the point same in this position. After that, 5 plus 3, it's 8, 2, it's going to be 2. so this is our answer. Now this question, simple, this is given 1 4 and 1 point, then 0 and 1. now this is 1, this is point, so write the point in that position. After that point, this is 1. okay, after that, this is 1 over. Now let's see this one. so this is point, put the point in this one. This is behind the point, this is 1, write the 1 here. This is 98, so write 98. Simple. Here it is nothing number, so forgot it. Okay, now just add. so 1 plus 8, it's going to be 9. 1 plus 9, it's going to be 10. Then this point here, and 1 is going to be here. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 1, that's going to be 7, and that's going to be 1. so this is our answer. Over. These are a simple question, you can do like that. Okay now let's do this question. so this question is also simple. This is going to be 9, this is going to be 0.85. this is point is there now, put the point here. Okay, after that point, what is 8 0, right? 0. After that, 61, right? 61, add it. Simple. 5 plus 1 6, add 5, 13 plus 1 14, 8 6 are 8 plus 6 14. then this is point 16 is there now, 14 is there now, 14 like that. so 4 I written, 1 is here. 9 plus 1, that's going to be 10. so the answer is 1046. so you will add like that. Okay now let's see this question. so this question is also simple. This is 2, this is point, this is 3. After that, this one, this is point is there now, write the point in the middle. Okay, this one. After that, 18 is there, so write 8 1 over. If it is there is no number, so don't worry, just write 8 and 1. Okay, this is 94. After that, here it is 9, here it is 4 over. Now there is no number, so just write 4 here. 9 plus 3, it's going to be 12. Okay, and here it is going to be 1. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, that's going to be 11. Here it is going to be 1, so here nothing. so 1 plus 1, that's going to be 2. Simple. 21.24. okay, is it clear? Right, so let's talk about this question. so this question also make clear to you. This is 0.57. okay, now write, this is point, write the point here. After that point, what is 3, write the 3. After that, 75, write 75. now add it. 7 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, that's going to be 13. Okay, and 1, 13 will be there now, so 3 you will write, 1 will go into here. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1, that's going to be 6. so this is the answer. Simple. Over or not? These are the very easy questions. Okay now, so this is also over. so let's drink water. Okay, so now let's talk about this question. so this question telling that Abhishek travel 5 kilometers 28 meters. okay, 5 kilometers 28 meters. okay now, he travel how many? Abhishek. okay now, okay, I will write with this pen. so write it. Abhishek, this is name Abhishek. Abhishek travel how many kilometers? 5 kilometers 28 meter. okay, right, good. Then again, with car, okay, he travel, okay, by bus 2 kilometers, that much minutes. okay, so bus, by using the bus, how many kilometers he went? so by bus he travel how much? For the bus he traveled 2 kilometers and 265 meters. so write 2 kilometers and 265 meters over. By car, it and the rest 1 kilometer 30 minutes. okay, 1 kilometer 30 meters. so by the car, okay, so by the car how many travel? He traveled 1 kilometer and how much? 30 meters. okay, 30 meters over. yeah, over on the foot. how much distance did he travel in all? So you have to tell how many distance he is totally travel. So it is generally it is not it's by car. Okay, just wait a minute. I did mistake here. This is by car only. Okay, this is by bus. Okay, this is by car, and this is by foot. Okay na, foot. So generally Abhishek is traveling. Okay now let's suppose you are going to travel and you are traveling 2 kilometers. Okay, you are going for a travel. This is you, and you are going for a park. So you are going with park, so you are going with bus. So 5 kilometers you are going with bus. Okay, you are going with bus 5 kilometer. After the reaching out the bus, so bus will drop you in that. After that you are taking a taxi. Okay, you are taking a taxi or tempo, whatever it is, and you are going 2 kilometers from that side. Okay, after that you are going for, you are entering the garden or park. After that you are going with the foot 1 kilometer. So I'm asking you how many distance you are traveling. So you will say, sir, simple, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, so 8. So 8 kilometers I travel totally. So like that only Abhishek travel 5 kilometer and 28 meters by bus, by car 2 kilometer 265 meters, and by foot 1 kilometer 30 meters he travel. Okay, so simple. If you add this all, you will find how many distance he travel. So we have to be add this one. So this is kilometer, right? The kilometer first of all. This is 5 kilometer na, so write 5 kilometers. So simple, 5 kilometers. Then after this is 28 meter, write a 28 meter. Okay, now this is 2 kilometer, right? 2 kilometer. Okay, this is how much? 265. So write 2, 6 and 5, then meter. Okay, simple, just forgot this one. Okay na? This is right here only. Okay, this is meter. Okay, simple. This is 1 kilometer 30. By foot how many? 1 kilometer. So write 1 kilometer. This is simple. After that 30 meters, write 30, and this is meter. Okay, now add it. So this is meter, write meter here. This is 5, there is nothing numbers here. So 5 means 5 only, it is going to be 5. So write the 5, simple. This is 8, this is 6, 8 5 13 plus 1 14, 8 plus 6 14. So 1 is going here, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1, that's going to be 8, over. Now this is written kilometer, write kilometer here. After that this is 5 plus 7, 7 plus 1, this is going to be 8. So how many distance he travel? Total distance he travel 8 kilometers, 8 kilometers 845 meters. So how much distance did he travel in all? So we will write he travel total 8 kilometer 845 meters distance totally. Okay, so Abhishek travel, we will, apart from he, just write Abhishek right. Okay na? Okay, this is SH. Okay, you will write Abhishek. Okay, whatever it is, Abhishek travel total 8 kilometers 85 meters distance. Okay, this is okay. So this is over. Okay now, so is it clear or not? Okay now, here we are adding. So how we can add? This is like simple, you know, this is what it is looking like. This is total looking like this 5.28. This is looking like this is 2.265. This is looking like this 1.30. Simple, this is like that. That's I did only. So you know, some student will confuse in replacing these numbers. That's one only. So where the number is there, put in the sequence wise, don't do anywhere. It is telling like here it is kilometer, so I put it in the kilometer. 1 kilometer 1 kilometer, this is kilometer. This is 5 kilometer 5 kilometer. This is 28 meter 28 meter. 265 30 meters 30 meters. And then I did, so there is nothing, so just 5 to 5. Here is there, I added, here added, then after it is meter, I did meter. So here it is written kilometer, I did kilometer, then I add 8 kilometers. Simple. So this question is also very easy. So now let's talk about the fourth question. I think this is the last question. Okay, right, wait a minute. Okay, what a name here. Mr. Bekuntam bought 6.25 meter of dress material for her older daughter and 5.75 meter for the younger one. So how much dress material did she buy for her daughter? Let's suppose this is your father. Okay, let's suppose this is your father and this is your big brother and this is you. Okay, this is you. So your father went a shop. Okay, this is your father, this is elder brother, and this is you. Okay, so what will happen, your father went a shop. Okay, in this shop he went and he wants to buy a cloth for both of the brothers. So your father decide, what I do, I bought the dress only. Okay, so your father brought a dress, so he bought dress for your elder brother. The dress, the length of the dress will be 6.25 meters. Why? Because your brother is greater, so that's why it's wear something longer. So your father he went to this shop and said, I have two children, my elder brother, so not elder brother, my elder son. So for my son I want to buy what about its cloth, I want to buy a dress. So your father told to the shopkeeper, I want to buy two dresses. One is for my elder son and one is for my younger son. So my elder son, I want to buy a dress for 6.25 meters dresses. Your father 6.25 meters dresses for your elder son. So your father said, my younger son is also there, which is you. So he bought totally 7.5 meters cloth for you. So he bought 5.75 meter cloth for you. How much? That one, 7.75 meters cloth for you. So your father bought for the elder son, he bought 60.25. For the you, he bought 5.75 meters. Okay, so now, so your father is asking, so how much dresses material did she buy for her daughter? Like for the both of their son, for your elder brother and for you, how much cloth, total length, how much, like meter of cloth he bought. So for your elder brother he bought 2.65 meter. For you, he bought 5.75 meter. If you add it like 10, this is going to be 0 and this is going to be 1, 11, and this is going to, so total how many meters he bought it? Total bought it 12.0 meters he bought it. How many total 12 meters. Okay, now 0 means just forgot this, just 12 meters. So he bought it how much? 12 meters only. So like that the situation is here also. So like that situation is also here. So what will happen, there is a one Baikunt there, and so he bought like dresses. Okay, now this Baikunt, okay, this is given Baikunt. Okay, na Baikunt brought it 6.25 meter cloth for the elder daughter. Okay, na elder daughter. Okay, na for the elder daughter. Okay, and he bought it 5.75 meters cloth for the younger one. Okay, na younger daughter. So how much dresses material she bought? So how much the dress material she bought? If you add both of this, you will find this is meter. 10, 1 is here, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, that's going to be 10. Point 1 here, so dot is there, put a dot. So 5, this is 5 plus 11, 11 plus 1, that's going to be 12. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So this is going to be 12. So how much dresses material she buy for her daughter? So she buy for first write that name. The name is what? Bekuntam by 12 meters. Okay, now forgot this 12. You can write like that also. Okay, now so you can write like that 12.00 meter, but it is not looking like that. It's looking like 12 am or 12 pm. So write like this 12 meter. 12 meter dress material for her daughter. Okay, na for her daughter, over. So this is generally our answer. Okay, now this is the answer of this question. So fourth one is clear, simple, nothing is in this question. So it was very simple question. Why? Because Venkatesh bought it much dress material for the older daughter and that much for the younger. So how much they bought it? This one and this one add. When you add both of this, you will get this one. So you can write this one. Okay. So overall this exercise is totally ended here only. So our chapter 7 is totally completed. Whatever in this chapter 7, everything is clear and I given my 100% for this chapter. I explain it each and every question, and sometimes you know what will happen. Sometimes video is not recorded, sometimes mic problem, sometimes my voice is not good, sometimes noise is there. So I repeat this video a lot of time, so that's why. So overall this video is clear here, and if you are looking for class 6th mathematics, so in description there is a link of the class 6th mathematics exercise solution, you can check out. Otherwise you can go to our channel and from playlist you can also check out from there. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you and we will meet into the next video. Jai Hind.